Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is all about a product review, and the product is from the brand called Pond's. Yes, it is their Pond's Spotless Glow Face Wash. Okay, this is how the product looks like. Okay, before we could proceed, let me guys tell you, Pond's these days is coming up with an amazing product range with amazing price range, quality, quantity. It's the best. I am currently loving most of their products, and further in future, yes, I'll be trying up more of their products and will let you guys know how it is. But before I could tell about this, let me quickly tell you which was my favorite face wash before, because my skin type is very sensitive, guys. When I try something new on my face, if that doesn't suit my skin, then I start getting acne, breakouts and whatnot. Okay, so my skin is very sensitive. Before I could choose a face wash, I need to think 100 times, should I choose this face wash or not, and so many researches about it I have to do and then purchase the face wash. So guys, like people who follow me from the beginning, they will know that I love a face wash, and I keep repeating that this is one of my favorite face wash. Okay, so this is from the brand called The Face Shop Rise Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. Okay, so I keep using this product again and again, and I keep it on stock. Okay, now this is an expensive face wash, guys. So this is priced at 690 rupees for 150 ml of product quantity. Okay, but I used to love this face wash. It has given me an amazing result. It instantly brightens up your face, and I really love this face wash. Okay, so the dupe for this face wash I have found is this one. Okay, so people who are using this and feel it's an expensive face wash, please give this a try. You will know what it is. Okay, so according to me, according to my opinion, these both are the same. It's a ditto copy paste, I could tell you, or it's ditto the same product. Okay, the consistency, what this does the same. Okay, so this is quite like very affordable, quite more affordable, like way too affordable. Okay, so this is 690 for 150 ml of product, and this is priced at 325 rupees for 200 grams of product. Yes, you heard that right. This is priced at 325 rupees, and it's an amazing face wash, guys. Like, I don't know, I don't have words to explain you that that's how great this product has worked on me. Okay, now this comes with the 3 sizes. The smallest one comes for 50 gram, which is priced at 79 rupees, and the other one is for 150 gram, comes for 190 rupees, and this is the 200 gram one, comes for 325 rupees. So I have directly purchased the bigger size because I didn't find the smaller one, it was out of stock. So I purchased this and I'm loving it. I'm using this for almost more than a month, and still there is some product left over here, and I don't want to waste a little bit product also, and I want to squeeze out totally and do total paisa vasuli, you know. So I'm going to use this completely and repurchase it again. That's how good it is. I will repurchase it again and again and again because it's that affordable. The 50%, you know, the half of the amount, you get more product, and the same thing, guys, it's the same. This face wash, you know, instantly brightens up your skin. The moment you wash your face, you feel that brightened face, you know. I don't know how to explain, but yes, it instantly brightens up your face. That's there, I have noticed it. Okay, now this is suitable for all skin types, so you don't have to worry if you're oily or dry skin, or if it's a combination. All skin types can, of course, use this face wash. Okay, now this helps in removing dead skins also, and the best part is it is with advanced vitamin B3 plus formula. So yes, and of course instantly your you know, brightens up your skin instantly, and it says that clinically proven brightness. Yes, after washing it does, but I don't know much on that. I cannot tell whether it is, you know, totally brightens up your skin tone or not. But yes, I love this face wash. I would rate it 10 on 10. So people who are purchasing this one can go for this because this is quite more affordable. And if you have to, you know, first try the product, please go for the smaller one, which is for 50 gram and which is priced at 79 rupees. Better wise purchase a smaller one. If you like the face wash, then buy the bigger one. And let me tell you, this goes for a very long time, guys. You don't have to, totally lather on your hand a lot and then use it. You need a very little amount of the product, like really very less amount, and it covers up your face, neck, overall everything, okay? And a very little amount does the work, okay? And yes, I love this face wash, guys. So if you're looking for an affordable face wash, please go for it. Without having a second thought, you can blindly purchase this face wash, okay? So if you guys want to try something else, do let me know in the comment section below. I will obviously, surely I will purchase it, try it out, and then let you guys know about it. And whatever I review about the products, I use it for more than 20 to 25 days. Only then I give up my review to you guys. It's not like randomly I use it once and then give you a review. No, because I want to use it for a long run. How it works on me, based on that I give up my opinion on these products, okay? Same way I found it that the dupe for this is the Pond's face wash. Yes, I'm really happy about it, because I don't think I'm going to purchase this again, because it's the same, okay? So yes, you can go for it, okay? So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video is going to be helpful to you. So till then, stay home, stay safe, keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.